The video begins with high-energy music as the Blaze Hawk 2025 roars to life, speeding down an open highway. The camera highlights its sleek body, sharp headlights, and aerodynamic curves. Text overlay. Welcome to Thunder Wheels. Close-up shots capture the bike's futuristic design, showcasing its bold and aggressive presence. The scene shifts to a picturesque location where the bike is parked, ready to impress. Text overlay. Engine and performance. The powerful 1200cc engine is revealed, delivering a staggering 190 horsepower. A quick shot follows, showing the bike accelerating effortlessly, reaching its top speed of 220 km per hour. The focus moves to the advanced technology built into the Blaze Hawk 2025. The digital console comes alive, displaying GPS, fuel efficiency stats, and multiple ride modes. Text overlay. Ride modes: Eco, Sport, and Blaze. Smooth transitions show the bike weaving through sharp corners with precision. Close-ups of the suspension and braking system demonstrate the dual-channel ABS, providing maximum safety and control. Text overlay. Dual-channel ABS for maximum safety. The video shifts to practical features, showcasing its fuel efficiency of 22 km/h, making it suitable for both city commutes and long tours. Clips of the bike navigating busy streets highlight its versatility. Text overlay. Fuel efficiency: 22 km/h. Perfect for city rides and long tours. The rider is seen enjoying the comfortable, ergonomic seat, giving a confident thumbs up to the camera. The Blaze Hawk 2025 delivers unmatched comfort for any journey. Text overlay. Comfort redefined with an ergonomic design. The final scene captures the bike parked under a glowing sunset, radiating power and elegance. Text overlay. Blaze Hawk 2025, built to dominate. The video concludes with the Thunder Wheels logo and a powerful call to action. Text overlay. Subscribe to Thunder Wheels for more bike reviews and adventures.